Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about Java server pages JSP architecture. So the web server needs a JSP engine, that is a container to process JSP pages, and the JSP container is responsible for intercepting requests for JSP pages. So this tutorial makes use of Apache, which has built-in JSP container to support JSP pages development. So a JSP container works with the web server to provide the runtime environment and other services a JSP needs, and it knows how to understand the special elements that are part of JSPs. So JSP processing. So how the web server creates the web page using JSP. So as with a normal page, your browser sends an HTTP request to the web server, and the web server recognizes that the HTTP request is for a JSP page and forwards it to a JSP engine. And this is done by using the URL or JSP page which ends with .jsp instead of .html. The JSP engine loads the JSP page from disk and converts it into a servlet content. And this conversion is very simple, in which all template text is converted to println statements and all JSP elements are converted to Java code. And this code implements the corresponding dynamic behavior of the page. The JSP engine compiles the servlet into an executable class and forwards the original request to a servlet engine. A part of the web server called the servlet engine loads the servlet class and executes it. And during execution, the servlet produces an output in HTML format, and the output is further passed on to the web server by the servlet engine inside an HTTP response. The web server forwards the HTTP response to your browser in terms of static HTML content, and finally the web browser handles the dynamically generated HTML page inside the HTTP response exactly as if it were a static page.